Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesians of the Africa-Nigeria-Niger Province (ANN) organized a vocational retreat for leaders on discovering the dream that God has for me, held from 14th to 17th of March at the Merry Help of Christians Shrine in Akure. The primary objective of the retreat is to guide young people to appreciate the meaning of silence, prayer and listening, drawing inspiration from Samuel's vocational experience. During the days, the participants were engaged in reflection sessions, spiritual exercises and moments of community prayer, all designed to foster a deeper connection with their faith and vocation. The Don Bosco Ferneris Center organized a meeting from 8th to 10th of March for all actors involved in the domain Don Bosco de Ferneris. Over 60 participants representing a dozen groups including SDB, FMA, staff, Salesian cooperators, Patro Don Bosco of Verviers, volunteers, Haiti Ferneris, Efata Don Bosco movement and among others some young genius nature. The event was organized with the intention of spreading the spirit of Don Bosco in all those involved, promoting mutual knowledge, the human wealth of the great family of Ferneris, the objectives of the center and the contribution that everyone can give based on their skills and experiences. Dreaming big like Don Bosco was the central echo of the meeting of Salesian youth movement leaders of the Africa-Congo Vice Province ACC. The second meeting of the young SYM leaders from different pastoral areas of the ACC Vice Province, in particular from Brazzaville, took place on 16th and 17th of March in the St. Charles Luanga Salesian community. The 2 days were focused on the Rector Major's Trena 2024 in order to strengthen the capacity of the leaders in their service in the oratories and youth centers and to adequately prepare for the Inter-Provincial Forum scheduled for next July in Kinshasa. Formation, Eucharistic adoration, listening, singing, confession and Mass were the great moments that marked the meeting. On his penultimate day of visiting the Saint Alfonso's Liguori province of Campo Grande, Brazil, BCG, the Rector Major, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, met hundreds of young people from different schools in Cuba and visited several significant works in the city, capital of the state of Mato Grosso. On the morning of Thursday, 14th of March 2024, the Sao Gonzalo Institute welcomed the 10th successor of Don Bosco with great enthusiasm in an encounter attended not only by the students from the school but also by those from other works of the Salesian family in the area. The Mojo training organized for the Salesians, second in Africa and first for the Salesians only in Africa, was an effort to keep abreast with today's advanced mobile and digital media technology. The motivation behind this was to empower the Salesians, who in turn will empower young people to tell African stories using smartphones to those who don't know about Africa, its people and culture. This training gave the trainees the skills to produce high-quality content using mobile devices. In 2022, there were 415 million smartphone subscriptions in sub-Saharan Africa. Based on the steady growth seen in earlier years, this number is expected to reach 689 million by 2028. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.